This is Tesla Model 3's head unit. It was damaged by water. Now we open it up and repair. Let's fix it. Give it power and test whether the spring turns on or not. This is the circuit board of the head unit. This is the autopilot area. Look at this board. There's water damage all over. Let's clean up the circuit board. Let's look for shorts now. Measure both sides of this large capacitor. No shorts seem okay. All these capacitors are okay. Let's give power and try. Let's connect the 16 volts power supply to it. And check the LED light. The power LED light is on. But the current is not stable, indicating there are some other problems in the circuit board. Let's have a check. Let's measure the voltage situation of the circuit board. Measure the voltage of all capacitors. Elo V is correct. It's almost Elo V here, which is okay too. The power supply here is just a bit above 0 volts. So here we have a problem. But where does it come from? Here shows Elo V. So does here. On this side voltage is wrong. Now we need to figure out where the problem is. We've finished our repair. Let's test it on platform. Power on. We can see head unit is starting. This light started blinking. Current is getting to the correct amount. When the indicator light is on, the screen will turn on. Check now. The screen is turning on. The screen is working now. All seems fine. The repair has been completed.